Good day and welcome. Today we will be unpacking some of the concepts of the Open Group Architecture Framework. We look forward to engaging you and we hope this video is informative and useful in many ways. We will start by introducing the Open Group Architecture Framework. What is the Open Group Architecture Framework? The Open Group Architecture Framework is an enterprise architecture technique that is applied by industry professionals in various sectors to achieve business efficiency and organization. The latest version of the Open Group Architecture Framework is the standard, 10th edition. It allows businesses to adapt and develop better performance methods amongst the business enterprise architecture and stakeholders. It also enables efficient operations in technology and agile. This tried and tested framework helps businesses organize and meet their immediate needs by ensuring that all key stakeholders will speak the same language. It means a common understanding of structure, content, and purpose and allows the entire enterprise to negotiate without communication barriers. There will be no binding to proprietary solutions for corporate architecture. For internal, non-commercial purposes, the platform is usually free. More efficient use of resources will be ensured, including savings in time and money. The company achieves a verifiable return on investment, ROI. The two main components of TOGAF are TRM and ARM. TRM, known as the Technical Reference Model, is used to navigate and integrate the technology that is needed in the enterprise architecture. The purpose of TRM is to find a common language structure so that the different layers of technology infrastructure are established. Some of the layers of TRM include data, application, infrastructure and technology. ARM, known as Architecture Development Method, and is used to create an enterprise architecture. It is used to manage the architecture of a business using an iterative process that helps to design and implement. Some of the phases of ARM include business architecture, information systems architecture, technology architecture and migration planning. TRM and ARM together enable organizations to integrate technology and business effectively, and the technology systems in a structured way. TRM helps organizations select the right technology components, while ADM guides them through the step-by-step process of creating and managing technology systems. Together, they support organizations in making smart choices and building successful systems that meet their specific needs. Advantages of TOGAF. Detailed and standardized approach, provides guidelines, standards, and best practices for consistent and compatible enterprise architecture development. Scalability and flexibility, designed to work with organizations of different sizes and complexities, allowing customization to meet specific requirements. Industry acceptance and adoption, widely embraced, offering a large pool of qualified individuals and abundant resources for support. Improved communication, standardized approach and language facilitate better understanding and collaboration among stakeholders. Disadvantages of TOGAF includes complexity and learning curve. Comprehensive framework that may be challenging for beginners and require significant time and effort to learn. Inflexibility and rigidity, perceived as rigid in some cases, may need customization to fit specific organizational needs. Lack of specificity, high-level framework that may not address all architectural challenges, requiring additional methods or frameworks in certain situations. Reasons why one should obtain TOGAF certificate and why is it a good choice to obtain the certificate. First of all is to enhance a career opportunity, as TOGAF is a widely IT architecture framework that is used by organizations globally. Having this certificate can demonstrate to potential employers that you have a thorough understanding of the principles and techniques for developing and managing enterprise architecture. The second part is the network opportunities, contacts development, sharing of ideas and understanding of new trends. The other part is the high demand for enterprise architecture. TOGAF is used by many companies for management in the enterprise architecture for short and long-term planning. And lastly, being budget-friendly, offered at a low cost. We are now at improving job performance and earn a good salary. It proves a good comprehensive approach to enterprise architecture, which can help in developing more effective solutions aligned with business goals and objectives. It opens for new opportunities, meaning TOGAF equips professionals with a systematic approach to developing and aligning business strategies with technology strategies. Banks and hospitals require strategic planning to optimize their operations, streamline processes, and enhance customer experiences. Individuals with TOGAF certification can contribute to these efforts by providing expertise in aligning business objectives with architectural considerations. One of the most important is understanding a common language. Common knowledge and expertise is shared amongst professionals, which can help individuals to identify business needs better. Another thing is staying up to date, because the TOGAF framework is regularly updated to reflect changes on technology and business practices. By obtaining a TOGAF certification, you can stay on top of the latest advances in IT architecture and demonstrate your knowledge within the industry. Building credibility. TOGAF certificate can help establish your credibility as an IT professional, particularly if you are involved in complex IT projects. For example, TOGAF provides a comprehensive framework for enterprise architecture, encompassing various domains such as business architecture, data architecture, application architecture, and technology architecture. TOGAF is a globally recognized and widely adopted enterprise architecture framework. The certification is endorsed by the Open Group, an international consortium known for setting industry standards. Having a TOGAF certification indicates that you have undergone rigorous training and examination, meeting the standards established by industry experts. Let's do a quick summary. TOGAF is an enterprise architecture technique used by professionals in various sectors to improve business efficiency and organization. The latest version is the TOGAF Standard, 10th edition, which helps businesses adapt, develop performance methods, and achieve agile operations. The main components of TOGAF are the Technical Reference Model, TRM, and the Architecture Repository, ARM. TRM provides a common language structure for integrating technology layers, such as data, application, infrastructure, and technology. With a TOGAF certification, individuals can pursue careers as business analysts, project managers, IT consultants, or IT architects. The certification allows professionals to expand their knowledge and skills in enterprise architecture, benefiting organizations in need of expertise in this field.